How to start a candle manufacturing business in India. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love candles as much as I do, whether for decor, relaxation or festivals, did you know you can turn this passion into a profitable business? Let's talk about starting a candle manufacturing business in India. Why start a candle business? Candles are in constant demand in India, used in everything from Diwali to weddings and even in wellness. The best part? You can start small and grow the business over time with a low initial investment. Key benefits: steady demand. Candles are popular year-round, especially in festivals and rituals. Low investment. Start with basic equipment and raw materials. Scalability. It's easy to grow your business once you have the basics down. Part 2. The candle market opportunity. The global candle market is huge. It's valued at around $15 billion and growing at 5 to 6% annually. This means there's plenty of space for new businesses to enter the market, especially in India, where candles are deeply tied to culture and tradition. Types of candles to manufacture. So, what types of candles should you focus on? There are several options to choose from. Aromatherapy candles. These are in high demand for wellness and relaxation, made from eco-friendly ingredients like soy or beeswax. Decorative candles, perfect for special occasion, adding elegance to homes and events. Religious and festival candles. Candles for festivals like Diwali have year-round demand. Personalized candles. Custom candles are popular for gifting, birthdays, weddings, and corporate events. The manufacturing process. Making candles is straightforward. Here's the basic process. Choose your wax: paraffin, soy, or beeswax. Soy and beeswax are popular for eco-conscious customers. Melt the wax. Heat it to the right temperature, not too hot or too cold. Add fragrance and color. Mix in oils and colors for scent and appearance. Pour and set. Pour the wax into molds and let it cool. Finish up. Add the wick, label, and pack your candles for sale. Setting up your candle business. Ready to start? Here's how you can set up your candle business. Market research. Understand who your audience is. Are they looking for wellness products or home decor? Investment. You can start with 1 rupee to 5 lakh rupees, covering equipment, raw materials, and packaging. Licensing. Don't forget the legal stuff. Get the necessary business licenses and comply with local regulations. Suppliers. Source quality wax, wicks, and fragrances from trusted suppliers. Marketing your candles. How do you sell your candles? Here are a few tips. Social media. Instagram and Pinterest are great platforms to showcase your products. Local markets. Attend fairs and pop-up shops to get your candles in front of customers. Collaborations. Work with event planners or wellness brands to expand your reach. Success tips. To make sure your candle business succeeds, remember these tips. Quality. Always use good materials. Creativity. Offer unique designs or scents. Pricing. Be competitive but don't undervalue your products. Customer feedback. Listen to your customers. They'll help you improve. Conclusion. Starting a candle business isn't just about making candles. It's about creating something people love. Are you ready to light up your entrepreneurial journey? Drop a comment below with your ideas and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.